Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are here.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, John Italia. Now guys, nandito tayo guys sa Don Bosco guys. Malapit na ako sa Don Bosco guys. Namamasyal ako dito guys dahil meron kaming meron dito guys na pinapapil up guys ng bagong universal guys ng PhilHealth guys. Nag-file kami guys para sa universal PhilHealth dahil dito guys dinalap sa Don Bosco multi-purpose guys. At nagpunta kami kanina guys at naayos naman at pila pa naman namin ng form ng Don Bosco PhilHealth. Yung bago ngayon guys ng pang-universal na PhilHealth. Ito yung mga pang-sarili natin guys. Ito naman na pang-universal guys na PhilHealth na bago ngayon guys na lumabas. Thank you so much guys for watching my channel, John Italian. Guys, hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ay mag-subscribe na po kayo with notification bell all para ma-notify kayo guys sa susunod kong in-upload na videos. Thank you so much guys for watching guys. Thank you so much. Ngayon guys, dito magagala naman tayo dito guys. Mama-share tayo dito guys sa lugar na ito ng Don Bosco. Hello guys, malapit na tayo guys dito sa Don Bosco sa guys sa harap ng Don Bosco. Meron din sila dito guys yung training center guys ng Don Bosco guys. Meron silang training center dito. Pwede ka mag-aral guys ng professional course, technical professional education and training center dito guys sa Don Bosco. Ayan guys, makikita natin dito guys mamaya yung Don Bosco guys. Yan guys yung Don Bosco dito guys. Yan Don Bosco, ang laki ng pangalan niya guys, ang Don Bosco guys. Makikita natin ang Don Bosco Training Center dito guys, yung Don Bosco Training Center guys. Kung gusto mo mag-aral ng professional guys, dito lang guys, malapit lang yung dito sa amin yung Don Bosco Training Center. At magkaroon ka guys ng mga short-term course. Pwede sila guys, mayroon silang offer guys ng mga courses na mga short terms para mabilis guys na makatapos sa makapagtrabaho ka kaagad guys. Yung dito sa Don Bosco Training Centers. At ang Don Bosco guys ay mayroon isang chapel sa Don Bosco Chapel. Yan. Yung Don Bosco yung nasa likod niyan guys, yan nandun ang Don Bosco Chapel. At ito guys yung nila, yung ground sa loob guys ng Don Bosco. Yan. Thank you so much guys for watching guys. At masyal malapit dito guys. At makikita natin dito ang Don Bosco campus. Ayan. Malapit lang yan guys, highway nila Don Bosco guys. Makikita natin guys dito. Thank you so much guys for watching guys. Yung mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa YouTube channel, mag-subscribe na po kayo with notification bell all para ma-notify kayo guys sa susunod kong in-upload na videos. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you. Malamig ang hangin yan guys yung panahon na to sa Don Bosco dito guys sa labas. At saka malamig pa ngayon guys kasi natutunaw ng yelo sa ibang bansa. Thank you so much guys for watching guys.
Only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.